Hello everyone, I'm going to show you one of the most beautiful sunrise in Skandagiri, which is nearby Bangalore. So it can do a one-night journey or go with a group. I was with Namma Trip group and we took a bus from Marathali at 1 a.m. and we reached over the base camp around 3:40, where we had to wait for the forest department to clear our path, and from there we started our hike. It was 4.5 kilometer up and another 4.5 kilometer down, so it will take you around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. And wear proper shoes and if possible carry a trek pole, because the path is very rough, full of stones, and descending is going to be difficult also. But once you reach the top, this is the view. You will be among clouds with changing colors of sky. It's a beautiful sight to behold, so it's worth going over there. So it's in the month of April, 6th of April to be specific. I took the trip. It's the cost was around 1500. There is no other cost practically. They'll take care of your transport, the hike, and the breakfast. The local breakfast was really good. Look at the perfect shape of the sun touching the cloud line, and it's something that will melt your heart if you love sunrise. So there is a moment when I spotted that sunrays are getting reflected on the nearby lake. I'll zoom in and you can see that. And there is a temple also on the top. It's a Shiva temple. And we took a group photo also over there. That's me. And I removed my shoe properly. I did not enter the main chamber. I was taking the video from outside. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Gaia GPS app helps you track your hiking and trails without even internet, and you can reuse it to go again in that same trail. It can give you elevation, what is the speed, what is the time, and you can see the path taken. I'll provide the link to download this tracking file. You can install the app, load this file, and you'll be able to follow the path on your own. Thank you.